Good morning, everybody. I'm Tom with KyPowersports, and what I've got for you today is some really good information about the Honda Talons. If you've been thinking about one of these machines, now's the time to do it. Honda's actually got some special financing with approved credit. You could get 3.99% from 24 months up to 72 months. Now, I've actually got two of the X models in stock, one of each color, the blue and the red. We've also got 4 Rs in stock at this time, 2 of the green, 2 of the red models, which I've been hearing have been hard to find. So that's right, 3.99 with approved credit for anywhere from 24 to 72 months, which is also really cool about Honda's financing. They're simple interest loans. That means that there are no penalties if you pay this thing off early. So if you pay it off early, you also don't pay all the interest that's on the note. Now, the other thing that I think is important, you guys need to make sure you check your local papers here this week. So Sunday, in the Sunday paper, we're gonna have an ad. We got a big sale that's gonna start next week. These Talons will be in that ad. Not only will the Honda equipment be in the ad, but if you follow us on the gun side is gonna have a bunch of stuff for sale too in that ad. Anyways, perfect time to pick up the Talons. There's also a little bit of a factory incentives, and like I said, these things will be in that ad at some discounted pricing. Again, I'm Tom with KyPowersports. Make sure you come on in and see myself, ask for Cole. Also want to remind you that we do have a complete service department. Ray Patterson is our parts and service manager, and he would love to get you taken care of any of your Honda needs, repairs, warranties, that kind of thing. Make sure you come out and see us at KyPowersports, and remember to ride red.